It can be seriously stressful trying to travel with babies and toddlers, and my 2.5-year-old has actually been on over 24 flights. This week we're leaving for another trip to Portugal and to the US, and I wanted to share with you guys what has been my foolproof tip for at least the past year. It's helped me so much that I said to myself that I have to absolutely share this with you guys. So I'm Ella from Empowered with Ella. For whoever's new here, I'm a childbirth educator, and this is Tuesday Tips. So this is the bag that I take as my carry-on. You don't have to use a bag exactly like this, but I do like one with long straps that stands up on its own. And what I do is I pack 4 see-through Ziploc baggies in here. And the way that I divide, that way I can open and I can pull anything out and see what's inside. The way I divide the stuff in them is in one bag, I put diapers and wipes. In the next bag, I put a change of clothes for me and for my baby or toddler. In another bag, I put activities. I'm a huge fan of this mess-free coloring book with the markers, because they won't get on anything else besides this book. But my biggest tip for this bag is to hit up your nearest dollar store or dollar section and buy about $5 to $10 worth of stuff that you don't mind if it gets broken or lost on the plane. And my last bag is full of snacks for me and for my toddler, so that I can easily grab them and they won't spill everywhere. I also like to have an inside pocket in here, and that is where I keep my phone, my ID, my passport, wallet, phone charger, all that stuff. So with my bag, I'm good to go, and I don't have too much weight for the plane. I actually throw my toddler in a back carry in my Tula, and I will make a separate video about that. I hope this tip helps you. If you go on a long car ride or a plane ride and you use my tip, let me know. Have a great day, guys.